Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use AutoTune in BandLab to make your vocals sound smooth and professional. First of all, record or import the vocals. First of all, open the BandLab application on your mobile phone and make sure your device is connected to the internet. After that, you can create a new project and open the existing project from here. Click the plus icon and you can import the file or you can record your own voice or audio. Then I'll import the file and the track will be ready. Now to add the AutoTune, simply click on the track and you'll see the effects button side to it. Click on that. After that, the effect panel will open. The BandLab effect panel will open. These are the trending one. Here you can select one and you will see the auto pitch TM option here. Simply click on that. Now you can play around the essentials and you can decrease the hip hop, and you can change the chromatic to major, minor, detect key. Then after you have done, make sure to listen once. After your video is done, simply click on the save option and save it to the devices. And that's it. That's how you auto-tune your vocals in BandLab. Try different setting to match your style, whether you want a natural vibe or full-on robotic. If this helps, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.